I'm going to teach you how to make a sword and a case. So what you're going to need is scissors, a black marker, tape, 2 colors of construction paper, any kind, two pieces of printer paper, and let's get started. I'm going to start with 1 piece of printer paper. You're going to fold it in half. All the way. Then you're going to unfold that. Then you're going to fold the top down to where the edge is at this crease, like this. And then you're going to do that again, but for this crease. And then you're going to go and over until you get a long rectangle. Then you're going to take your tape, grab a piece, and then the extra bits you have, you want to fold over and place the tape on those extra bits. Might seem tricky, but you can do it. Maybe add 2 pieces, just for steady. And then, after you do that, you're going to take your scissors and you're going to cut a curve at the top. You're going to flatten it out like this. And then tape it. Then set that to side. And then we're going to take your other paper and then you're going to roll it up the way. Then you're going to grab your tape and get a small piece and then tape it on. And then you're going to set that to side. Then you're going to take your construction paper in half. And you're going to cut along that crease you just made. Put 1 piece aside because you're going to need it later. And then you're going to put it at the end of your handle, the piece of paper you just made, and you're going to fold that over to make sure it's the right size. Then you're going to take out the sword, and then you're going to keep fold that until you get to the very end. Then you're going to tape that on there. And you're going to tape the bottom so it doesn't go through, like this. So the bottom is taped. And then you want to slide, not yet, you want to put your tube that you made into like this. Then you're going to take your handle and put it at the bottom. And then you're going to use the tape and you're going to tape around that so they stay together. And then you're going to grab your other piece that you had earlier and you're going to fold that in half. from this corner to this corner. And then you're gonna fold it in half again from this corner to this corner. Then you're gonna fold from this corner to this corner one more time. And then you're gonna tape all 3 edges together. And then when you get all that done, you're gonna take the center and then you're gonna mark out how wide your blade is. Put 2 dots on each side, like this. And then you're gonna connect them together and then make sort of a diamond shape in them. And then fill that in. Then you're going to want to cut that diamond that you made out. And then after you get that cut out, you're going to take your blade and slide it through there. That's your sword. Now we're going to make the sheath. Fold it in half. Then, but don't make the 3rd crease. You're going to make the 2nd crease. And then fold over. And then over. This. Gonna take the tape. You're gonna put it on maybe 2 pieces. Then you're gonna cut that curve like you did on the blade. Oh, you need to squeeze it in half. And then tape the top of it and close it. Then you could put it on your sword. There you go. Sword and sheath. That's the end of this sword tutorial. If you liked the video, you might like my other videos. Like and subscribe. Bye.